What is going on, guys? Happy Sunday, and I hope you guys had an awesome Christmas. As I said, I was going to try to continue doing this on Sunday, so I wanted to put together just another quick little breakfast, a meal that you can kind of do that, again, requires almost literally no effort on your part. You just got to get the stuff for it. Okay, so first off, Greek yogurt. Now, we all love our Greek yogurts, and there's so many different brands out there, so which one should you go with? So one thing I've noticed, I really like this brand, Too Good. There we go. And the reason is because they only have 2 grams of sugar and one only has like 3 grams of carbs in the whole thing. Now, if we look at something like, Chobani, this is a blueberry one, just an example. This has the same amount of protein, but it has 14 grams of sugar. So it has more than quadruple the same carbohydrates. Now, I don't want you to steer clear of carbohydrate because carbohydrates are good for you. I just don't want this kind. So we want the right kind of carbohydrate. So I'm gonna put two of these in here just because they're high in protein. This has 12 grams, so 2 of these would be 24 grams. So as I mentioned before, I want the right kind of carbohydrates in here. So I'm not gonna get it from the actual sugars, just the refined sugars that they just throw in there to sweeten it up. Instead, we want complex carbohydrates. So I buy this Bare Naked. This one's great. This one has no sugar added. It's a little blurry, hold on. There we go. So yeah, this is the reduced sugar with peanut butter crunch. So I'm gonna do a half a cup of this, be about 25 grams of carbs. That's about half a cup. I'm gonna stir that up, and then just to get my protein a little higher, because I shoot for a little bit higher protein, because I shoot for about 50 grams of protein per meal. So I'm gonna do, again, another one of these. So I'm gonna put 1 scoop in there. And normally I would add some berries or something else in here, but unfortunately I kind of dropped the ball with the grocery shopping because of Christmas and I just wasn't thinking about it. But normally I would throw strawberries, raspberries, some type of fruit, even banana in here, just to kind of give it a little more sweetness and flavor. But I'm just gonna stir it up. And now it's ready. That is really good. Anyways, if you guys have any further questions about fitness, mindset, or nutrition, or ideas for food, please be sure to send me a DM. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next video. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday.